So I just got a notification from Google that the wait is over. Welcome to Ask Photos. So let's switch over to my Pixel 6 and take a look and see what is so nice about the new Ask Photo feature. So you're looking at my Pixel 6. Let's go to Photos. And sure enough, down here, there's something new called Ask. Let's select it, search or ask question. Select it, and now I can start either typing. I'm lazy. I'm going to use the microphone. Show me my license plate number. It's thinking, it's searching, and let's see. I'll be a son of a gun. Here's a photo of a license plate, though I can't be sure it shows yours. If this isn't what you're looking for, let me know and I can search again. Well, I'm happy it found a license plate number. And this is interesting. Let's do another search. Show Meadow Lake Park Area Association pictures. There's one announcing the meeting. There's the park itself. Pretty darn nice feature, nice addition. If you've gotten your notice that it's available on your phone, give it a try. You might just like it. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.